Welcome back to the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the topic of RV living and how incorporating a digital mailbox can greatly simplify your nomadic lifestyle. Living life on the road in an RV offers unparalleled freedom and adventure. However, one of the challenges that many RVers face is managing their mail and staying connected to important documents and correspondence. This is where a digital mailbox becomes an invaluable tool. A digital mailbox acts as a virtual address, allowing you to receive and manage your mail digitally. Instead of having your physical mail forwarded to various campgrounds or relying on friends and family to collect it for you, a digital mailbox provides a centralized solution. You can easily view, forward, or even discard mail online from anywhere with an internet connection. Not only does a digital mailbox eliminate the hassle of physically handling your mail, but it also gives you the flexibility to access your mail 24/7. No matter where your RV takes you, as long as you have internet access, you can stay connected and in control of your mail. But the benefits don't stop there. Digital mailboxes often offer additional features such as mail scanning, where you can request to have your physical mail opened and scanned to view online. This allows you to see your mail immediately, even if you're hundreds of miles away from your mailbox. Imagine receiving important documents, such as financial statements or legal paperwork, while on the road. With a digital mailbox, you can have peace of mind knowing that your mail is being efficiently managed, reducing the risk of missing crucial deadlines or losing important paperwork. Furthermore, digital mailboxes typically provide secure storage for your mail, protecting it from theft or damage. Your mail is handled by trained professionals who prioritize security, ensuring that your sensitive information remains confidential. In conclusion, incorporating a digital mailbox into your RV living setup can greatly simplify your nomadic lifestyle. Not only does it save you time and effort, but it also provides a secure and convenient way to manage your mail on the go. That's all for today's video, folks. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Daily RV Life YouTube channel for more content on RV living tips and tricks. Until next time, happy travels.